Alright, so it has been confirmed that I am officially an idiot. Um, I mean, we knew it all along, but this just hits it home. Um, so I was carrying my camcorder up the stairs the other day after doing a few videos, and I was carrying it by the tripod, and the quick shoe that I had on it decided to release, and the camera bounced down the stairs. Um, Fortunately, it's relatively undamaged physically, with the exception of a small dent right here. And it does still power up, so that's a plus. Unfortunately, and I'm apologizing for the lack of focus here, I'm using my old Motorola Droid to record this. It doesn't seem to want to autofocus on videos. But we're getting an E6110 error, which is apparently a lens error, which would explain the lack of focusing, or zoom, for that matter. The odd part is that the zoom indicator still moves, but the lens does nothing. So, as of now, I'm accepting donations for a new camcorder. But all jokes aside, we will be tearing this apart in due time and trying to repair it. But for the meantime, we're going to be using my little Panasonic Lumix DMC FP3 camera, which is the only other camera that I have that's capable of doing HD video. The unfortunate part of it is that it can only record, 8 minutes and 24 seconds, I believe, at a time in HD mode. Why, I don't know, but even with a 32 gig card in it, that's all it can do. And it, unfortunately, it records in QuickTime movie format, which, when I edit the video, and normally when I edit my videos and convert them to upload, I just convert them straight to AVI, and the AVI file is actually smaller than the QuickTime movie file. So, yeah, that'll be fun. But given the fact that if I can't repair the Handycam, we'll probably end up having to go back to this on longer videos, which is my old Handycam. The unfortunate part about this is it does not do HD, just a standard television resolution. But it will be capable of doing longer videos. It is still digital, but it's a pain because the DV video output doesn't work, and I have to use the analog output and use a converter, USB converter, on my laptop. But if we have to go to this, we will probably most likely be going to this, which is my old Sony F70 Handycam. It's an 8mm tape. I have tons of tapes that'll fit this because I have an entire case of 8mm backup tapes for an old tape magazine that I have that I never actually got set up and working because the drive was messed up in it. But the issue with this is that the head motor does not run. And most times it won't even power up to eject the tape. And from what I can tell, and from what I've researched, the problem with this is that some of the capacitors on the driver board for the motors fail. So this is also going to be a tear down, and I actually have two of these, this one and another one that's not in as good of condition, but actually picked it up at Goodwill for $14, and it's got a crap load of batteries and a movie light and manual and everything. Yeah, so this will be also another future video. But yeah, so we're going to get back to working on something with this, and I've got to go because the battery on my Droid is dying. Yeah. Thanks for watching.